Hello, welcome back. If you're new here, you're welcome. This is my home. This is where I've been hiding when I disappeared offline or online, whatever. I don't know, how do they say it? Yeah, so also I don't usually host people as my home because I think that it is not it doesn't look nice like those homes on Pinterest and Instagram. But now I am comfortable with hosting people in my home the way it is because it's all about love. If the home is filled with love, filled with the Holy Spirit, it doesn't matter what materials you have, what kind of chairs or tables or whatever. It doesn't matter if there is no peace, there is no love, it is not a home. So, this is my house. And as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Joshua 24:15. I wasn't posting because also kids, I don't want to show my kids online or their faces. I want to protect their privacy, so sometimes they keep running into my videos, but I try. And also I got help at home, so most of the work that I used to do now, someone helps me do it. Anyway, so today I am hosting my cell family. Like I said, it's okay. And I bought chapatis. I don't know how to make nice chapatis, so I had to buy from someone who knows. Someone should teach me how to make nice chapatis, honestly. So yeah, this is Cell. Enjoy.
I have the privilege of sharing with you our Cell moments. On Sunday, we concluded our sermon series by faith. Paul, who wrote this letter to the Romans, was excited to...
So, quick question. Have you ever been ashamed of the gospel?
So the other one says, Paul says, I'm not ashamed of the gospel. In your context, share some of the reasons that cause you to... Is anyone ashamed? Share some of the reasons that cause you to be ashamed of the gospel. And also in your daily life, how can you demonstrate that you are not ashamed of the gospel? So are there instances where any of us has been ashamed of the gospel?
Mine, I'm not ashamed. Okay, that's you are ashamed. And I would have just changed that command. Maybe scared or afraid.
Okay.
Ashamed.
Okay. When have you been scared? Okay. For the cell now, let us when have you been scared to speak about the
When I
gospel?
have a Muslim in front of me, I can't say what. I can't even say one word. I just keep quiet.
You just keep quiet.
Why? Because I didn't have that word. That's what, okay, like how Mr. Daniel is. If I'm like Mr. Daniel,
You can give respect as a mother.
But when I'm with a Muslim, I say, we are all human beings, and we all pray God, so please.
You mind your own peace.
And also I mind mine.
Okay, interesting. I think a number of us also probably like that. Any other?
She has eliminated me from that group. So I don't know now what to say.
Maybe she doesn't know. There are some areas where, I don't know. Any one of us, where an instance where you have been said we shouldn't use ashamed, but maybe we can use both ashamed and scared to speak about the word of the Lord.
I think, for example, there's a time a friend of mine lost someone, and that trying to want to encourage him that God is with you. But this person has been praying to God, keep the person. So at that point, he wonder, should I really encourage them and be like, just continue praying? I need them at that point, they don't even want to hear. They don't want to hear God. So I think this is my point. That's the one point I was not exactly ashamed, but scared to say. Pray. Yeah, pray about it.
Sometimes it's hard for you to encourage a believer when they have lost something. You don't know the right words to say to that person. It is well. Okay? Surely, goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of our lives, and we shall dwell in the house of the Lord now and forevermore. Amen. Thank you so much, Evangelis, for hosting us, and I know yours for that.